Hi, this is Barbara from LiveBinders, and today I'm going to show you how to embed a Facebook timeline in your binder. So you'll want to go to your binder in edit mode, and then in another tab you'll want to go to this link, and this link will be available on our help page as well, so that you don't have to type it all out. The link will go directly there. And anyway, once we go to that page, this is the plugin page for Facebook. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see that there's a URL that Facebook asks for the timeline, and you can have a width or a height. There's other options here. Use a small header, use a large header, and you'll see it has a little preview of what that's going to look like down below. So I would always kind of click on this adapt to plugin container to width, and the reason for that is that will adapt. If somebody's looking on a phone, it'll make it a little smaller, so it's a really nice thing to have. So once you get all that set and it looks the way you want it to, click on Get Code, and it's going to pop up this box, and there's two different boxes here. So we're going to copy the first one, and now I'm going to go back to my LiveBinder, and I'm going to go to Content and Embed. And in this box I'm going to paste what was in that first box. And I can open this up so you can see it's all there. Okay, and now I'm going to go back and get what's in that second box. I'm going to copy that too. Go back to my binder. Click on Paste. So now the contents of both those boxes are in this box. Click on Insert. Now this is going to take just a minute. And when it's done, what you'll see is just a link here. And that's how it's going to look in edit mode. But if I go into play mode on my binder and click on that timeline, you'll see the timelines properly embedded there. So that's how you embed a Facebook timeline into your binder.